Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the source input on Nokia Smart TV. And to do this, we'll need to take a look on our remote we have right here. And then now on the bottom you should be able to find the source button. Click on it. Then on the right side of your TV you will see the list of all available inputs that you can choose. So there's TV, AV, this one that is YPBPR, VGA, HDMI 1, 2 and 3. Click on OK on each of them to change between it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.